No, I want you to keep doing it.
Okay.
She likes it when you do it.
Okay. Soon comes the airplane, open wide.
You like that, Tenley? Say thank you, Mila. Now give her a chance to chew up her hot dog before you feed her another one.
Okay. Chew it fast. Soon comes the airplane, open wide. What's that?
That's so nice of you to help your sister out.
Mom, there's 2 more pieces left for me too. Soon comes the airplane, open wide. And the biggest last one for Tenley. Soon comes the airplane, open wide.
Thanks, Mila, for feeding your baby sister.
You're welcome. Look. Mom, come on, watch this. Soon comes the airplane, open wide. Look.
You want more, Tenley?
I'll give her some of my hot
Goodness, you guys had a big lunch.
I'll give her some of my hot dogs.
You're so nice, Mila.
2, 3. 10, watch me. 10, watch